This guide contains most requirements for locating required lateral braced wall panels for the construction details for those panels and is based on Part 9 of the BC Building Code. The lateral forces on a building cannot be resisted with unbraced studs and plates. The motion will tend to deflect the studs and result in significant damage or even failure. By adding sheathing, such as plywood or OSB, to the exterior, and drywall or paneling to the interior, the resistance to lateral loads can be achieved. Braced wall panels are portions of walls where exterior sheathing or interior finish is designed and installed to provide the required resistance to lateral loads due to earthquakes. In an earthquake, the acceleration of the ground creates lateral forces on a structure. The magnitude of the lateral forces on a house is influenced by its height and weight. The exterior and interior walls are the key components for resisting the lateral forces collected from the floors and roof over the height of the house. Part 9 houses can be quite resistant to lateral loads because of the redundant nature of wood frame construction. House designs can also include features that result in a reduction of the resistance to lateral seismic loading, such as large openings through exterior walls, open interior floor plans, which eliminate many of the interior walls, and the use of heavy construction methods like concrete floor toppings, tile roofing, or heavy cladding. Failure can occur in shear at the roof-to-wall, wall-to-wall, and wall-to-foundation connections, as well as racking failure of the walls.